Hi YouTube and sewing friends, welcome to my channel Shells Hearts Art, and today I'll be doing a sewing review, a sew and tell on my most recent make, which is McCalls M8001. I have the pattern right here and we'll go right into it right now. So it features 3 views, view A, B, and C. The fabric calls for crepe, poplin, challis. I hope I'm pronouncing those right. And I actually used an old fabric from my fabric stash that I got from Joann's a few years ago, and it's like, I think it's considered a silky print, but I don't think it's technically silk, so I'm not quite sure, but it was in my fabric stash. And I did view B minus the pockets because I did start super late on my March makes because it is April. I started on this pattern sometime in March, but I put it away, you know, life happened and I returned to it and finally finished it. So I will say that the pattern does feature a lot of pattern pieces. I think this featured about 11 pieces, and to be honest, whenever I see a pattern that's like 10 or more, I usually just put that pattern on pause and come back to it like forever later. Like, I just don't like seeing a lot of pattern pieces. Thankfully, this pattern was not very difficult. I honestly think this is like very advanced, beginner friendly. As long as you follow it step by step, you'll be fine, I think. It does feature a lot of hand stitching, so if you don't like doing that, you might not have fun doing this because it does feature a lot of hand stitching. Of course, you could do the shortcut and use your sewing machine, but I think the reason that they incorporated the hand stitching was to give it a more clean look. So yeah, that's something else about the pattern. It has the notions required for the pattern include 8 5/8" buttons. So yeah, I did incorporate that into my pattern, and it's just the fabric. So that's basically it. Super love the results. I'm gonna stand up so y'all can see. But as you can see, there's the buttons. Now there are options to put a flounce in. I did not want to do the flounce. I don't know why, but I feel like since this was a shirt and it was floral, I kind of didn't want the flounce. It also has a pleat in the back of it. I'm not quite sure if you can see it. I will be inserting pictures also at the end of the video, but it does have a pleat. But I'm in love with the fabric itself. It features a collar, so if you've never sewn a collar, this would be a great experience for you. So overall, I really love this pattern. It was very simple compared to the amount of pattern pieces it featured. I also think this is great for like the hotter season, like the warm weather coming in. So that's why I wanted to go ahead and make something super loose fitting, easy breezy. I do see myself making this again, probably in a solid color, or I might even have some fun and do view A, which features like the contrast fabric, and I think that'd be super cute. So we'll see. I do recommend it though. And that's really all. Like I said, it's very advanced, beginner friendly. So if you do have some sewing experience and you're not afraid of working with a lot of pattern pieces, this will be a good pattern for you. And also you'll get to work with sewing a collar. I've actually only sewn a collar twice since I've started sewing, so that's something exciting. And that's really all I have to say. So if you all stay tuned towards the end, I will be inserting pictures. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media, Instagram, Shells Hearts Art. And I hope you all have a nice day. Bye-bye.